Never at any point in your life pretend to be someone else merely to cover up your true nature or conceal your real intentions behind the facade. Acknowledge your shortcomings. To be yourself, you must be able to fully accept whatever is within you, whether it is good or bad, including your physical appearance, your unique way of speaking, your inherent potential, your personal weaknesses, and so on. However, accepting yourself does not mean that you should lose the desire to learn new things or stop seeking growth. To truly improve and develop, it is, of course, necessary that every shortcoming you have must be thoroughly addressed and actively improved through dedicated learning efforts. We are dedicated to persistent improvement efforts in order to become even better in the future.